Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Super.com, a platform designed to empower creators to build and monetize their own websites. Super.com provides a streamlined approach to website creation, offering a user-friendly interface and various tools that simplify the process. From designing the layout and customizing the appearance to integrating essential features like membership options and payment gateways, Super.com aims to be an all-in-one solution for creators seeking to establish their online presence. One of the key advantages of Super.com lies in its accessibility. It requires no coding knowledge, allowing creators from diverse backgrounds to build professional-looking websites without technical hurdles. The platform offers a range of customizable templates, giving users a solid foundation to start with and the flexibility to personalize their sites to match their brand. Furthermore, Super.com integrates seamlessly with various marketing and analytics tools, enabling creators to track their website performance and optimize their strategies for growth. They can monitor key metrics, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately enhance their audience engagement and revenue streams. Beyond the core website building features, Super.com also facilitates community building through integrated membership options. Creators can offer exclusive content, courses, or communities to their subscribers, fostering a stronger connection with their audience and generating recurring revenue. The platform also handles payment processing, simplifying the monetization process and ensuring a secure and efficient transaction experience for both creators and their subscribers. This end-to-end solution minimizes administrative overhead and allows creators to focus on what they do best, creating valuable content and engaging with their community. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, Super.com offers a comprehensive suite of tools to establish, grow, and monetize your online presence. From its intuitive design and customizable templates to its powerful marketing integrations and membership features, Super.com provides a robust platform to help creators thrive in the digital landscape. With its no-code approach, it empowers creators to take control of their online identity and build a sustainable business around their passion. So, be sure to check out the link in the description below and explore the possibilities of Super.com for yourself.